Grammarly is a powerful tool that checks your writing for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and other common writing issues. It provides you with suggestions for how to improve your writing and helps you to communicate more effectively. Some benefits of using Grammarly include improved clarity and readability in your writing, increased confidence in your communication skills, and more time to focus on other important tasks. Grammarly can be used for a variety of writing purposes, from professional emails to academic papers to social media posts. Grammarly offers a variety of features, including a browser extension, a desktop app, and a mobile app. It also has a plagiarism checker to ensure that your writing is original and a tone detector to help you communicate in the appropriate tone for your audience. Using Grammarly is easy and intuitive. Simply upload your document or type directly into the Grammarly editor and let the software do the rest. Grammarly provides you with suggestions in real time, so you can make improvements as you write. Signing up for Grammarly is quick and easy. Simply visit the Grammarly website and create an account. There are both free and premium versions of Grammarly available, depending on your needs and budget. In summary, Grammarly is an excellent tool that can help you to improve your writing skills and communicate more effectively. With its powerful features, easy-to-use interface, and a range of benefits, Grammarly is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their writing to the next level.